By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what an AI agent is, how you can use it to save hours of work every week, and stick around till the end because I will walk you through how to set up your very first AI agents yourself. No code, just a few minutes of your time, that's all you need. Hey, I'm Remi. I've been a software engineer for 15 years and I now run an AI automation agency. In short, I build AI agents for a living. And let me tell you, most videos that try to explain AI agents are extremely confusing and not realistic. Today we're breaking down AI agents so simply that even your coffee machine could get it.